Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to stream to multiple platforms using Streamlabs. So first of all, download and install the Streamlabs on your computer, and after launching Streamlabs, make sure you have signed in. Now, under sources, go ahead and add your audio video sources that you want to live stream. And then in this left-hand menu, go to settings. In settings, select stream. In here, scroll down and click on stream to custom ingest. And here, click on this service drop-down and here select restream.io. And now, server, select auto detect. And here we can see the stream key field. Now it's time to collect our restream stream key. Now go to your browser and you have to come to this website restream.io. So this is a very popular website for multi-streaming. So once you're in this website, just create a free account and then you get this interface. Here click on channels, click on add channels, and if you're using Restream for free, then you will be able to start live stream in 2 different channels at once. So go ahead and connect your account from here. So in my case, I'm going to live stream from Streamlabs to Kick and Twitch at once. So I've already connected Twitch and Kick account. So I'm just clicking on create new stream. And here we have to select encoder RTMP option. And then here you will find your Restream stream key. Just copy the stream key from here and then go back to your Streamlabs and here paste your copied stream key and then click on done. Now all you have to need, click on go live and we can see the live is starting, and once the live started, go back to your Restream dashboard and here we can see the live is now showing on my Restream. Now we have to add here our channel. So click on this add channel and then go ahead and connect channels to multi-stream. Let's connect our Twitch account. Clicking on connect Twitch, clicking on authorize. We can see the Twitch successfully connected and again clicking on add channel and this time connecting the Kick channel. Clicking on allow access. Once you successfully connected your multiple channels, now we have to enable channels to live stream. Once successfully turned on, now this Restream website will send my stream data to multiple platforms. So I'm going to my Twitch account to show you. Going to my Twitch stream manager. And here we can see the stream successfully started on my Twitch. At the same time, I'm going to my Kick account and going to my creator dashboard, selecting stream, and here we can see the live stream also streaming on my Kick account. So that's how you can actually use our Streamlabs to stream on multiple platforms at once. And to stop streaming, come to your Streamlabs and just click on end stream.